Okay, sir.
Okay, continuing 24 chapter. Which pump pumps oil in IDG cooling system?
Kevin.
Kevin pump,
Right, scavenge pump. What type of this scavenge pump is?
gear type,
Sorry,
gear type,
no,
Rotary.
rotary the rotary. Oh, but what type of
Rotary
rotary?
vent type. Rotary vent type.
J rotor type. J rotor type.
Yeah, I'm there.
is zero to
J rotor type. Okay, what is the purpose of IDG oil cooler bypass valve?
Oil cooler bypass valve
Hmm.
to maintain the temperature. Bypass the oil to maintain the temperature.
How it
Outlet
went?
no.
just the cooling. If there is more cooling,
Mm-hmm.
if there is more cooling, then some oil are bypassed to make it to make the temperature sufficient for the charge.
Simply, if the oil is
And
cold and you are sending the
cold,
oil
yes,
to the oil cooler, so you are getting
yes,
the oil more
more
cooler.
cold,
So to prevent that, you are bypassing the
more
oil.
cooling, bypass directly, yes, yes,
Okay, so in that case, oil cooler bypass valve opens and the oil goes directly to the system without going to the
directly goes
IDG
to
oil cooler.
system. Charge. Yes, it goes to the charge.
Okay, cooler bypass valve is part of IDG or IDG oil cooler.
IDG is a part of
IDG,
IDG.
Oh, part of IDG.
it's a part of IDG. Yes.
Okay, how do you know if IDG filter is clogged?
DPI indicator,
By the
pop-up
visual
indicator.
pop-out indicator, red pop-up indicator.
Okay, yes. DPI power indicator on IDG. There is no ECAM warning for this.
Yes.
Yeah.
No one.
Mhm.
So on that case, if the filter is clogged, then oil goes directly to
Yeah.
the system.
Yes, 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 yes.
But in book it's written that when the filter gets clogged, the pressure relief valve open, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
If pressure relief valve goes this is open, then scavenge pump the oil and it goes back to the sump.
No, 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 no. Actually, the relief valves close because the pump pressure is constant. Okay, in normal
Yes,
cases.
yes, sir.
So if in case
Yes.
filter is clogged, so what happens? The oil will goes and
Pressure
there will be
differential.
a build up
Yes.
in the pressure.
More
Okay,
pressure.
slightly
Yes.
high pressure will be there.
Yes. Yes.
Upstream of the filter, there will be high pressure. So in
Filter.
that case, the relief valve opens, and some of the oil will goes back. What
But
remaining oil
okay,
goes to
okay.
the system. It doesn't mean
Goes it
yeah
goes
whole.
by the through the filter, right? Sir? It
Yes,
goes
yes,
to the that cloth filter.
yes.
Copy.
So some oil is bypassing, some oil is going to the system. So it's
To maintain the pressure exact, है ना?
yeah. Oh,
Mm.
oh. Okay, who monitors and which temperature for ECAM advisory and overheat?
So outlet
हाँ
Question क्या हो sir?
outlet temperature.
होइन who monitors कसले monitor गर्छ होइन and which
Okay.
temperature for ECAM advisory and overheat?
GCU monitors.
Okay, GCU
GCU
monitors.
monitors.
Yeah, GCU monitors, right? Okay.
Yes. Outlet temperature is goes for the
Yeah, right.
ICAM indication.
Yes, outlet temperature, not inlet.
Yes.
Mhm. Okay. If IDG oil outlet temperature sensor open,
Sakil,
open circuit.
dai. Okay, भन्छ किशोर दा waiting रे.
Okay, the next question is If IDG oil outlet temperature sensor open circuit, how do you know IDG oil outlet temperature?
इनलेट सेन्सरले चाहिँ अफसेट भ्यालु सँग मिलाएर के अरे इक्याममा डिस्प्ले गर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ।
इनको टेम्परेचर oil in temperature plus reference temperature एड गरेर इकाममा देखाउँछ के
Reference temperature. Yes.
डिफ्रेन्स
Reference
के
temperature.
गर्छ
ठीक छ oil inlet temperature plus nominal temperature offset भ्यालुलाई एड गर्छ हैन अनि त्यो टेम्परेचर देखाउँछ हजुर अनि इकाममा डिस्प्ले हुन्छ है
No, nominal. Yes.
it's a class 3 fault so no flight deck effects
Yeah.
है
No flight deck effect.
class 3 fault हो यो
Yes, sir.
okay next IDG oil outlet temperature is cooler inlet or outlet temperature
IDG
IDG को oil outlet temperature is cooler outlet or cooler inlet temperature
cooler inlet
right
Cooler inlet.
oh cooler inlet temperature IDG outlet temperature means cooler
IDG बाट
yes IDG बाट कूलर मा जान्छ कूलर को आउटलेट हैन है अब यसको उ हेरौँ न सिनेसको है यो IDG आउटलेट टेम्परेचर भयो हैन
Yeah.
यो सेन्सर नि हो दिस इज द कूलर इनलेट टेम्परेचर कूलर इनलेट क्या है अब यो डायग्राम पर सर हेरिदिए न अब this is IDG complete case is IDG inside is oil sump and the
Yes, sir.
oil through a scavenge pump not
Yes.
charge pump right through a scavenge pump goes to the scavenge filter through that it goes
Filter.
through the IDG oil cooler and their fuel flows and fuel cools the oil and fuel itself gets heated after that the cooled oil goes to the deaerator then charge pump then charge filter then to the our system generator कि hydraulic trim unit सर्भो भयो
Yes.
बुझ्यो है
Yes, sir.
यो चाहिँ हाम्रो फिल पोर्ट हामीले ग्राउन्डमा फिल गर्छौं नि ओइल फिल यसरी यहाँ जान्छ ओइल चाहिँ
Yes, sir.
सम्म
Yes, sir.
जान्छ
Pressure filter.
प्रेसर फिल yeah this is outlet temperature sensor this is inlet temperature sensor हैन and this is cooler bypass valve if oil is already cooled so no need to make more cooled oil so it goes directly through the bypass valve to the system
Cold. Bypass valve. Yes.
बुझ्यो है फिगर यो
Yes, sir.
okay moving ahead okay in case of high oil temperature or low oil pressure how do you know
इकाम गर्ने
huh
इकाम गर्ने
टेम्परेचरको चाहिँ 142 डिग्री पुग्यो भने चाहिँ मेमो मेसेज देखाउँछ 145 पुग्यो भने चाहिँ
In case
डिस्कनेक्ट
of
अनि 200 सम्म गरेन भने थर्मल डिस्कनेक्ट हुन्छ
हैन तर के आउँछ ककपिटमा वार्निङहरु
सुरुमा
warning in
मेमो
case of 185.
master
No,
caution
no, no. Like
master caution
right
single chime
right
and fault on the
EWD.
Push
warning
button.
on the EWD.
fault and push button
Push button fault.
and message on EWD त्यति हो
Yes.
है यसमा
Internet is so bad today.
एकछिन उठेर के गरिरहेको हुन्छ
Okay, next.
टेबलमा छ दाइ एक टेबलमा छ
Okay, if IDG overheat warning comes, if temperature is more than say 140, 185,
142
185, 142 मतलब measure आउन थाल्छ हैन 185
advisory हो
Advisory on the lower ECAM.
Hmm.
The
142 मा
140.
Then what pilot do after that?
जेन अफ गर्नु पर्यो हैन जेन उता
No. On that case,
Generator किन गर्नु पर्यो? Why generator?
off गर्नु पर्यो।
IDG को oil overheat छ भने generator किन गर्नु पर्यो?
आइडिजी ओभरहिट भयो हैन अफ गर्नु त
Advisory
185 माथि गयो भने
Sorry?
कति ओभरहिट भनेर मेसेज
185
एडभाइजरी
हाँ अब 140 भन्दा माथि त एडभाइजरी आउन थालिहाल्छ हैन 185 भयो हैन
yes.
देन त्यतिखेर
त्यसपछि off
अफ गर्नुपर्छ आइडिजी अफ गर्नुपर्छ
guarded disconnect गर्नु पर्यो।
IDG अफ गर्नु पर्यो राइट म्यानुअली अफ गर्नु पर्यो हैन
Okay. Manually.
ओ म्यानुअल अफ गर्नलाई त्यसको केही प्रिकसन छ
अफ गर्ने बेलामा
So under speed,
भन
IDG under speed must be over speed मा हुनु पर्यो IDG engine.
डोन्ट से ओभर स्पीड
IDG
say
like
should not be under speed
not be under speed. Yes.
Ah.
Over speed. Greater than under speed.
the speed
Yeah.
should not be under speed हैन इंजिन को स्पीड under speed छ भने
Yes. Sir.
IDG cannot disconnect manually though you are pushing the switch
Yes. Sir.
हैन obviously in flight छ भने speed obviously above हुन्छ idle above speed हुन्छ and then you have to disconnect the
Yes.
IDG. Okay, IDG push button switch
Yeah.
you have to press. Is there any safety precaution on that switch?
गार्डेड हुन्छ नि
Guarded
Guarded.
obviously.
सेकेन्ड विदिन 3 सेकेन्ड
Sorry?
It must be it should not be pressed more than 3 seconds.
Right. The switch should not be
sunlight-
pressed more than 3 seconds.
The sunlight gets heated.
Yeah, sunlight is overheated. So you have to press and just leave it.
Leave it. Yeah.
Even if you are doing on ground also. Do not push for more than 3
Yeah.
seconds.
During test. Yeah, test.
Okay. Oh, so if a pilot forgets to put the switch manually off, then what happens?
The temperature gets
auto
higher.
disconnect
नर्मल डिस्क
At 200 degree temperature, the auto thermal disconnect automatically. Thermal disconnection happens.
Yes.
I
How does it happen?
That
GCU orders the PRR to close.
No. The solenoid activated. It's due to high temperature
Mhm.
that thermal is melt like that. What I say?
There is a solder fuse in the disconnect mechanism, so which automatically fuses melts at 200 degrees centigrade,
Melt.
and the IDG got disconnected thermally,
Disconnected.
and thermal disconnection message comes on EWD. So if thermal disconnect also not happens, if they're not fuse not get melts and IDG continue running and temperature increasing, then what happens?
Sorry, sir. के बुझेन इन्टरनेट
Thermal disconnects पनि भएन automatically हुनु पर्ने भएन के हुन्छ?
भएन
मेसेज आउँछ होला नि त इकाममा
के मेसेज आउँछ?
वार्निङ त
थर्मल डिस्कनेक्ट फेल्ड भन्छ
राइट,
Uber
थर्मल डिस्कनेक्सन
ए,
फेल्ड
ए,
मेसेज आउँछ।
fail.
अनि त्यसमा इन्जिन पुरै बन्दै गर्नुपर्छ होइन
त्यसो भए त तिम्रो त उनी गर्नु पर्यो। त्यतिखेर तिम्रो त्यही थर्मल डिस्कनेक्सन फेल्ड भएको त अभियसली पाइलटले म्यानुअली गर्नु परिहाल्यो भन्दा होइन।
Manually गर्नु पर्यो।
थर्मल डिस्कनेक्ट पनि भयो पनि थर्मल डिस्कनेक्सन र म्यानुअल डिस्कनेक्सनमा के डिफरेन्स छ?
Reset हुँदैन।
डिस्काउन्ट
Thermal मा we cannot reset.
म्यानुअलमा रिसेट गर्न मिल्छ तर थर्मलमा ओभरअललाई पठाउनु पर्छ
We cannot reset. We need to replace the IDG.
राइट, थर्मल डिस्कनेक्सन भयो भने आइडिजी शुड बी रिप्लेस बिकज द सोल्डर fuse has melted already, so you cannot do on that ground.
Thermally.
But if you disconnect manually,
Yes.
so you can reset
Yeah.
on ground. Okay, how can you reset on ground?
Yes.
ल किशोर
There
भन,
is a
किशोर
आइडिजीमा
Engine
चाहिँ
shutdown.
एउटा रिङ जस्तो हुन्छ जुन चाहिँ पुल गरेपछि एउटा क्लिक साउन्ड आउँछ, त्यसपछि छोडिदियो भने अटोमेटिक गरेर सेट गर्छ।
first you have to open a Allen key bolt, then you have to pull by a finger.
Pull screw.
You heard a click sound.
Mm.
Okay, then after
Yes.
again you have to
Yes.
apply the same force to check it has been engaged or not. So this is the procedure.
Engage or not.
गर्नुपर्छ त्यो।
हो, म्यानुअल डिस्कनेक्सनमा चाहिँ हामीले आइडिजी गर्न पायो, तर थर्मलमा चाहिँ आइडिजी चेन्ज गर्नुपर्छ है।
Yes, sir.
Okay, what does the message IDG cooler on PFR means?
Sorry, sir.
Suppose you are receiving the aircraft and you check the PFR. के गर्ने, रनिङ आउट टाइम भन्छ?
सजुन के हुँदैन
Suppose you are receiving the aircraft and you check the PFR, there is a message IDG cooler on PFR. What does that message mean?
इनलेट र आउटलेटबाट टेम्परेचर सेम देखायो भने डिफरेन्स भएन भने हो कि?
Right. Oil input and output temperature no difference, right? After
No
in IDG cooler ko. In that case, IDG cooler is malfunction. Same temperature going and same temperature coming. So IDG cooler is not working.
Not working. Yes, sir.
No. Okay, what controls IDG output speed and how?
सर्भो भल्भ
IDG output.
Output speed controlled by how? What controls IDG output speed?
सर्भो भल्भ रिले भन्नु न
No.
हाइड्रोलिक कन्ट्रोल युनिट
GCU controls
GCU.
controls yes IDG output speed GCU.
जिसियु भित्रै त एसबिआर हुन्छ नि सर्भो भल्भ रिले
अनि how अब बोला
मास्टर त त्यो भयो
बाइ पम्पिङ द ओइल भनेर हुन्छ नि त मोर अर लेस द हाइड्रोलिक कन्ट्रोल युनिट
servo valve relay. There is a servo valve relay by which GCU controls the servo valve in the hydraulic. It will pass past the hydraulic oil. It's open the servo valve and how much oil will go or decrease or increase the passage of hydraulic oil. According to this, IDG speed is controlled.
अलि डिटेलमा कसरी स्पिड कन्ट्रोल हुन्छ सेन्ड मी डिटेल
GCU orders the SBR to open or close the servo valve in the IDG hydraulic servo valve unit to pump less or more oil to the servo unit. And if they want more speed, then more oil is injected, and less
Then
speed,
it will
less
go
oil.
inside.
Okay, but how does the GCU know that the speed is over or less?
By speed by PMG from PMG frequency water.
PMG frequency. Okay. PMG frequency.
PMG frequency and reference frequency ले मैं हुआ सर अनि error signal चाहिँ सर्भर भल्भ रिलेलाई जान्छ error signal त्यति अनुसारले GCU ले सर्भर भल्भ रिलेलाई कति ओपन र क्लोज गर्नुपर्छ भन्छ के
सेन्सरले कन्ट्रोल गर्छ रिफरेन्स फ्रिक्वेन्सी PMG फ्रिक्वेन्सीसँग उ गर्छ कम्पेयर
Okay, GCU includes server valve, right? Server is part of IDG, and server valve relay GCU part.
Yes, sir.
And server valve is part of IDG, and server valve relay is a part of GCU. Okay.
GCU, yes.
So GCU monitors the PMG frequency, that is generator frequency.
Yes, sir.
PMG frequency signal is compared with GCU internal frequency from FADEC.
Yes,
there is a reference frequency from FADEC goes to the GCU, which compared with the PMG frequency. Okay, so yeah, because the PMG frequency is the actual frequency of the IDG, and the reference frequency is already set. So if in case it's the speed is high or low, there creates an error signal. Yeah, the error signal in servo valve control loop circuit. Okay, the error signal controls servo valve current flow via servo valve relay.
Yes, sir.
If the error signal is suppose plus or minus, so it says current through the servo valve relay in the then control servo valve by servo relay. Servo valve works by porting oil to hydraulic control cylinder, more or less oil, to maintain desired generator frequency. है अब इसको फिगर हेर क्लियर हुन्छ क्या तो चाहिए फिगर अब यहाँ PMG को फ्रिक्वेन्सी है GCU मोटो गर्छ त्यसपछि एउटा फ्याडेकबाट आएको रेफरेन्स फ्रिक्वेन्सी अलरेडी सेट छ अब यो दुईटामा डिफरेन्स भयो एरर सिग्नल क्रिएट हुन्छ एरर सिग्नल सर्भर भाल्भ रिलेमा जान्छ रिले सर्भर रिलेले करेन्ट फ्लो गराउँछ यसलाई है हाइड्रोलिक सर्भर भाल्भलाई त्यो हाइड्रोलिक सर्भर भाल्भले चाहिँ त्यो करेन्ट सिग्नललाई चाहिँ यसले चाहिँ oil in or more or less high. Suppose speed is high, so you have to port less oil. Suppose speed is less, you have to port more oil. So it ports the oil.
Yes.
Okay, and this from the solving devices, the speed goes maintained.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, यसको फ्रिक्वेन्सी यहाँ मोनिटर हुन्छ त्यो फ्रिक्वेन्सीमा एरर सिग्नल क्रिएट हुन्छ त्यसपछि सर्भर भाल्भ रिले sends current to the hydraulic servo valve. It pours the oil more or less to maintain the desired speed, constant speed.
Yes,
okay, this is very important. है यो चाहिँ राम्रोसँग पढ्नु कुरा चाहिँ how IDG disconnected when manually by push button if fault on push button in case of high oil temperature or low oil pressure. Okay, अघि टेम्परेचर डिस्कस गरे लो oil pressure मा पनि हामीले डिस्कनेक्ट गर्न मिल्छ ओके IDG को प्रॉपर्टीज के हो मतलब three phase right
115 volt
200 volt AC 400 frequency right
and 90 kVA
90 kV power okay so this IDG has a brush or brushless or what type of brushless
spray cooled
oil spray cooled but how GCU is powered
from PMG, DCU power from PMG, and as a backup from battery.
Right.
And backup source is the battery.
If engine is not started, so in that case battery is
Not
giving
started.
power to the
That is giving the power to
GCU, and after the engine is started, the PMG supplies the
provide the power.
yes
Yeah.
electrical power.
Supply power.
Yeah. Okay, how control and protection circuitry to control servo valve relay and PRR gets powered, and how much?
के भन्नुभयो?
जुन सर्भो वाल्भ रिले PRR रिले कन्ट्रोल सर्किटरी छ नि त्यसले पावर कसरी आउँछ?
त्यसलाई पनि पावर सर PMG बाटै हो सर. PMG बाट DC मा कन्भर्ट भएर अनि त्यो हो
के रे
थाहा छैन मलाई.
त्यो पनि PMG बाटै जान्छ सर पावर. ओ रिलेहरूलाई PRR
फ्री सिस्टमबाट जानुपर्ने हो.
कति भोल्टेज चाहिन्छ?
5 volt AC.
त्यो त स्विचको हो मलाई.
त्यो त उसको लागि स्विचको हो त्यो. स्विचको
28 भोल्ट
DC नै हो नि सर.
28 भोल्ट DC
नै हो नि.
हो तर DC कसरी गइरहेछ त्यहाँ?
सर त्यहाँ
टिआर भएर
हुन्छ नि. त्यो भित्र टिआर हुन्छ त्यसले PMG को उलाई चेन्ज गरेर DC मा
थ्रु टिआर. राइट.
मलाई याद आयो.
म त एकछिन कन्फ्युज भयो. त्यो 5 volt AC त उसको रहेछ स्विचको.
हो नि. हाउ GCU